Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a FuFu squishy. So let's go ahead and check this out. It says squishy every day. So inside of the box, if we can open it here. There we go. Ooh, oh, this is sweet. Okay, look at this bubble wrap. It's made of hearts. Okay, so we have heart bubble wrap. More heart, but look at that. It's a pretty looking box on the inside. And then here we go. Let's open it up. Take out the FuFu squishy every day. This is the dig kit. So you can just open it up here with this. I'm gonna open it up from the bottom, just sneaky like, because this is gonna be a gift and I don't want it to. I don't want to necessarily give it away. But okay, so let's see. Inside of the dig kit we have, so here we are. We have the little digging apparatus here. This one here is kind of an octopus looking FuFu squishy. I'm not sure how best to open it, but you get the idea. It's the FuFu squishy inside of that dig kit. Oh, just dropped on the floor, but thankfully it was on that. Comes with a little bracelet. Comes with some FuFu squishy stuff, I guess. And yeah, just some things, I guess, like a keychain or something like that. There you go. We have that, and then in this little section here, we have some, oh, there's our dig tools. So we have a hammer and a little pick. That's cool, so we can go ahead and try to open up our FuFu squishy. So that is cool. That's a neat little toy here. So it comes in this little kit, and this is it here. Fell down on the floor and didn't even break. So don't have to worry about packaging of it. And it came in this neat little box, and there's kind of some information about it. But seems really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.